Good morning and welcome to the most exciting day.
Rocket.Build is a hackathon that we do every year at Rocket Software.
These are the few days that we get where we can try anything that we want.
Put some focus in, work together with others and build on your own ideas with a team.
We have teams from Lithuania, Switzerland. We have teams from all over the world.
The Netherlands,
China,
Israel,
India.
The values of empathy, humanity, trust, and love is very much shown here.
Alors ça, c'est vraiment ce qui est attractif dans Rocket.Build, c'est qu'on peut travailler avec des équipes avec lesquelles on n'a pas l'habitude de travailler.
The word compete from Latin is come and pit, which is strive together.
If you can dream it, you can do it.
This is collaboration in its best. That energy, that is contagious.
Pushing your boundaries and thinking something beyond your domain to solve something is actually how it lives true to its core, which is dream big.